How to make a public profile on Snapchat in Android. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. You can make a public profile on Snapchat in Android pretty easily. So basically, launch a Snapchat application in your device. Ensure that you have logged in into your Snapchat account. Now over here, tap on the bit emoji option in your top left corner. After that, in your top right, you will see the setting gear option. Click on it. Now, once you are in here, to make a public profile, what you can do is under privacy control, firstly tap on contact me. Make sure you have enabled the option of friends and contact, which will help other Snapchatters to find you easily. Once you do so, now use the use my bit emoji avatar to my friends. After that, click on View My Story and make sure it is on Friends only as well. Now, another thing that you can do is the most important one, that is See Me in Quick Add. Ensure it is toggled on. This will help other friends to reach out to you easily. Then, Activity Indicator should be turned on as well if you want a public profile. Regarding the location, make sure to not toggle off the ghost mode. Once you have rest assured of all of the settings, now you will be able to successfully make your Snapchat account public. That's it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.